Well, another broken spine right here, L3, and a little at L2, but not a broken man. This is Mr. J. How you doing?
I'm doing incredible. I never had any pain from the minute you finished till right now, 5 days later.
What did we do? Do you remember? What do you call that?
I was awake at the
You were
whole
awake
time.
the whole time.
Telling
We didn't
you
put you to
jokes.
sleep. You were telling me jokes.
So
We did a kyphoplasty. There's Marlene.
Hi.
Hello, hello. And so we squirted some cement in here, and we filled these, put a little balloon, jacked it open, and filled these fractures with cement. Whole process probably 45 minutes about, I guess.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think you started by 3.
Mm-hmm.
I was in there at 3, and by
Yes, sir.
6 o'clock I was home having dinner.
Right on.
Yeah,
And
with no pain.
No pain.
And I walked in the car and walked out. You know, I mean, nothing has absolutely changed. I'm back like I was when I was 19 years old.
That's awesome. Riding motorcycles.
Ride motorcycles.
Yeah.
At 87.
That's awesome.
I ride.
You're my hero.
Yeah.
All right, man. Is it okay for me to
Great
put this on the
Or
YouTube?
wherever you want to use it.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Any other comments? Any other thoughts?
No, except it's absolutely wonderful. I just hope I never see you again.
Me too. I'll see you on the bike.
Yeah.
All right.